Even though we're outside, we are going to plug this thing into an amplifier. All right, here are some of the main features. You have two Alnico pickups right here, which are running to a three-way switch and a volume knob. And this is just like any other guitar until you get to the preamp section. You press and hold this button down and a preamp will kick on. This preamp has your 4 channels. This doesn't have to be engaged to use this like a normal guitar. There's your 1/4 inch out. You have a headphone out and a USB-C. One of the reasons I chose this guitar is because it's so easy to just leave home and play. You don't have to carry an amplifier around with you. I love the construction. It is carbon fiber. There's a nice cutout here to put your hand so you can reach all the way up to the last fret very easily. Overall, the construction of the guitar is very cool. I'm gonna try to let you hear what the speaker sounds like, but just keep in mind that it's coming from my point of view. It's not going to be down near the guitar. The strap is making all kinds of noise and everything, but I'll try to be still and let's do it. Here's channel 1. It's your clean channel. Here's channel 2, the crunch. Here's your straight distortion channel. Here's channel 4, the lead channel. I have a surprise coming up from ENYA, but I cannot release the video yet because this isn't available yet. But it's coming up. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. I think you'll really like what this is. It's totally awesome. I have an awesome guitar coming. It's handmade, so you want to stick around for that. It's something that you'll hardly ever see in America. Anyways, have a good one. See you later. Let me grab my shades, Sonny.